मैं एक सिंगल फॉर्मूला आपको दूंगा जहाँ पे चाहे सोर्स मूव करे चाहे ऑब्जर्वर मूव करे।
अच्छा,
अभी तो मैंने बस सोर्स को मूव कराया है। तो देखिए जो फॉर्मूला होता है न्यू एपरेंट का वो होता है C माइनस VO C माइनस VS into new actual new not.
okay,
This is the formula.
fine.
C is speed of sound. V naught is the speed of observer.
Yes.
VS is the speed of source. बट इसे यूज करने के लिए एक साइन कन्वेंशन यूज करते हैं। साइन कन्वेंशन ये होता है कि फ्रॉम सोर्स टू ऑब्जर्वर इज टेकन एज पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन। सो आपको बस ये बताना है कि ये ऑब्जर्वर है, ये सोर्स है, ठीक है। सोर्स is moving in this direction with let's say 20 meter per second and observer is moving in this direction with 10 meter per second. So what is the value of VS and what is the value of VO? So source to observer, this direction is positive direction. So this is observer is 10 and this is minus 20.
Oh, okay.
Got it? समझ आया? So this is very important.
Source, okay, hi.
Source to observer is taken as positive. Any confusion?
No.
देखिए, if wind is also blowing, यदि हवा भी चल रहा है तो apparent frequency जो हो जाएगा वो हो जाएगा C plus VW minus VO, C plus VW minus VS.
Or
use same sign convention.
Okay.
With wind's velocity. Is it clear? Any question here?
No.
कोई question तो नहीं है गुरशीष?
No.
So let's take some simple questions. पहले एक simple question लेता हूँ फिर. See, there is a car which is moving with 20 meter per second, and there is a person which is moving in the this direction with 10 meter per second. Frequency, original frequency of horn is 1000 hertz. C is given as 330 meter per second. Find apparent frequency. So we have new apparent. So C is 330. This direction is taken as positive. So 20 is positive. So and ऊपर में observer होता है तो ये -10 लिखेंगे. And this is 330 minus 20 into 1000. So this is 340 upon 310 into 1000. ठीक है, यही किया होगा आपने भी. So basically frequency increase हो गया because they are coming closer.
Right.